In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a note in Google Keep. If you've ever needed to collaborate on a checklist, a set of ideas, or a photo with annotations, Google Keep makes it simple to work together in the same note. Keep in mind that sharing in Keep is collaborative by design. There isn't a view-only option, so anyone you add will be able to edit the note. Also, sharing applies to each note individually, so you'll repeat this process for every note you want to share. Let's do it on a computer using a web browser. First, go to keep.google.com and sign in. Make sure you're using the Google account that owns the note you want to share. Once you're in, open the specific note. This can be any note, text, a checklist, an image, even a drawing, because all of those can be shared. Look for the collaborator button on the note. It looks like a small person icon with a plus sign. Click that to open the sharing panel. In the field that appears, start entering a name, an email address, or the name of a Google group if you want to share with multiple people at once. As you type, you'll see suggestions. Choose the correct person or group from that list. When you've added everyone you need, click Done, then click Save. That's it. The person or group you selected now has access to the note and can edit it alongside you. From this point on, collaborators can modify text, check or uncheck list items, add or remove images, doodle on drawings, and even attach audio. Changes sync across devices, so you'll all see updates appear in real time. Because edits are live, it's a good idea to communicate clearly in the note title or first line about the note's purpose so everyone understands what belongs there. A few important things to remember. If you delete the shared note, it will be removed for everyone who had access, not just from your view. There's currently no way to make a shared note read-only. All collaborators can edit. And there isn't a way to share a whole batch of notes automatically, so share each note individually using the same steps. If you frequently share with the same team, adding a Google group can save time, since you can pick the group instead of adding people one by one. That's all you need to start collaborating in Google Keep. Open your note, add collaborators, and work together with confidence, knowing edits are shared instantly and securely.